Hi, this is Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to send print files for magnetic material. So I've got my job open in Corebridge over here. So this is my job number right here. So I'm going to click open in the RIP software on the left. And I'm going to hit this up one level twice to get back to CB orders. And I'm going to look for my order. So this is that 12203. Go into the production files, and I'm going to find the product I'm looking for. So this is product number 1, so that is the order number -1. And I'm going to make sure my quick set is set to overlay calendar. I'm going to pull this in, and it's going to pull in with 24 copies because that's what's set in the job name based off of how many quantities we've got here. But I know that I'm running on some smaller material, and these I prefer to run in smaller batches, so I'm going to be changing that. But let's start with changing our material to the correct size so we know what fits. So over here, you're going to leave it. If it's on something else, you'll change it too, but right now it's here. You're going to do 3M IJ3510. And then your page size. I'm using 24-inch material, so I'm going to use a 24-inch page size. And so these, with them running sideways, I know that it's going to clip the edge on these last ones, so you're not actually going to get 4 of these up sideways, just based off of the printer that we're using. So in here, you could set a buffer of, it pushes it a 1/2 inch to the side. So if I add a 1/2 inch, you can see that it bumps that down to another row. So now there's more rows of magnets. For now, I'm going to be running just a couple test magnets. So I'm going to actually flip them the other direction so that I can get more out of my material. And I'm going to change this to 2 magnets. So this will flip at 90 degrees, and then that's my quantity. So right there are, in the preview, you can see that there's some empty space on the sides, and that'll be good for laminating. And then in these settings that I was in before, you want to make sure your marks are set to crop marks rather than a full box, just because when you're trimming the magnet material, it likes to kind of drag the blade a little bit. So if you have a full box, you can kind of pull in the cut lines. So if you've just got your corners, then you just have to make sure that you're dead on your corners rather than this whole outside bit right here. If you wobble a little bit, it's not going to be as noticeable if you don't have that full box. So now that's all set, I can hit print and it's ready to go.